Hi everyone, today we are in Corbridge. Corbridge is a town in North Lanarkshire, Scotland. It is about 8.5 miles east of Glasgow city centre. I will take you around the Maxwell by Taylor Wimpey, located at Calderwind in Canberra. The Maxwell is a perfect family house. It has a smart layout. It is a 4-bedroom property with an open plan kitchen / diner, and the principal bedroom comes with an ensuite. Canberra in itself is a perfect location. It's easy to get into Glasgow, and it is also easy to get to Edinburgh or Livingston as well. This house type comes with a front and back